Hi, in this video we'll learn how to reduce fractions. Let's start with the first problem, 16 divided by 26. How can we reduce this? So let's start with 2. Is 16 divisible by 2? Yes. Is 26 divisible by 2? Yes. So we're going to divide 16 and 26 by 2. Make sure you have to divide the top number and the bottom number by the same number. Let me put this equal sign over here. So 16 divided by 2 is 8, and 26 divided by 2 is 13. And 8 over 13, they are not divisible by same number. 8 and 13 are not divisible by the same number. In fact, 13 is a prime number. So we cannot reduce that fraction anymore, so this is going to be our final answer. Let's work on the next problem, 30 divided by 35. Can I divide 30 and 35 both by 2? No. 35 is not divisible by 2. Can I divide 30 and 35 by 3? Well, 35 is not divisible by 3. Let's think of 5. Can I divide 30 and 35 by 5? Yes, I can. So I'm going to divide the top and the bottom number by 5. So 30 divided by 5 is 6, and 35 divided by 5 is 7. So we got 6 over 7. Okay, let's work on the last problem, 27 over 42. Let's start with 2. Is 27 and 42 divisible by 2? No, 27 is not divisible by 2. 42 is, yes, divisible by 2, but we need to divide the top number and the bottom number by the same number. So let's move on to 3. Is 3 divisible by both 27 and 42? The answer is yes. So we're going to divide this by 3. So 27 divided by 3 is 9, and 42 divided by 3 is 14. And 9 over 14, they're not divisible by same number. 9 is divisible by 3 or 9, and 14 is divisible by 2. So we cannot reduce this fraction anymore. So 9 over 14 is going to be the final answer. And similarly for this also, because 7 is a prime number, we cannot reduce this anymore. Let's work on this last problem. Let's say if I have 15 over 20. Is 15 and 21 divisible by 2? No. Are they divisible by 3? Yes. So we're going to divide 15 and 21 by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. So 5 over 7 is going to be our final answer because 5 and 7 both are prime numbers. So that's how you reduce the fractions. I hope you find this video helpful.